This is a slice of velvety smooth, light and fluffy vanilla cheesecake. Delicious? Of course. But it's missing something. What if one simple spoonful of colour could completely change the presentation of your dish? Welcome to Easy Peasy Kitchen, where we help you turn everyday dishes into something beautiful, without the stress, the fuss, or the fancy tools. In this video, I'll show you how a single spoonful of sauce can take a simple dessert to something wow. The sauce I'm talking about is a fruit coulis. A fruit coulis is a smooth, pureed sauce made from cooked and strained fruit. Today we're going to make 3 different fruit coulis: a dark coloured blackberry and blueberry coulis, a vibrant apricot and vanilla coulis, and a bright red strawberry and raspberry coulis. These are so easy to make. They all taste delicious and look like magic on a plate. To make a coulis, all you need is some fruit. It can be fresh, frozen, or even canned. Here I have a mixture of blackberries and blueberries to create a rich dark coulis. I've also got some caster sugar and a dash of water. You can add vanilla essence and lemon zest for a bit of added flavour too. The beauty of a coulis is that you can really use any flavourings that will complement your dessert. Bring the mixture to the boil to dissolve the sugar and to pull out the colour and flavour from the fruit. Then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently until the fruit is soft and broken down. This can take anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes. I know it's done when the syrup coats the back of the spatula. Let it cool slightly and then blend it until it's smooth. For a silky finish, you can strain out the seeds through a fine sieve. It might take a bit of pushing and prodding to help it through. Or if you prefer the more rustic look, you can also leave it as it is. And just like that, you've got a rich, vibrant fruit coulis ready to elevate any dessert. Making a coulis always follows the same simple process, but the fruit you choose changes everything, from the flavour to the colour. For this red coulis, I'm using a mix of strawberries and raspberries. Just keep in mind, the larger the fruit pieces, the longer they'll take to break down while cooking. Coulis are also a brilliant way to use up fruit that's a little past its prime. Look at this colour, so rich and vibrant. Red like this feels warm, familiar and fun. That's the power of colour on a plate. It sets the mood before you've even taken a bite. The leftover bits in the sieve make a good addition to a fruit smoothie, so don't throw it away. Let's make our last coulis before we have some fun plating and experimenting with the different colours. If you don't have fresh or frozen fruit on hand, it's not a problem. Canned fruit works beautifully in a coulis too. In fact, you can use the juice from the can instead of water to add even more flavour. The longer you simmer your sauce, the thicker it becomes. If you let it reduce a lot, you'll get a syrupy finish. If you don't, you'll have a thinner sauce. If you need to adjust the consistency, just add a little water to thin it, or pop it back on the stove for a few minutes to thicken it. It's flexible, forgiving, and always beautiful. Don't be limited by the coulis flavours I'm showing in this video. The options are unlimited. You can go as exotic as you like. Maybe plum and port, or lychee and rosewater. You can even use frozen fruit out of season. Let's get some cheesecake to showcase our fruit coulis. 1 slice of vanilla cheesecake, 1 blob of whipped cream, and a piece of fresh strawberry. What do you think? There's nothing wrong with it, but let's see how a spoonful of coulis can elevate it. I love it when something as simple as a splash of colour can take it up a notch. Since we're focusing on food presentation, here's a simple tip that makes a big difference. When slicing a dessert, use a hot knife and wipe the blade clean between each cut. It gives you those sharp, clean edges that look polished and professional. The warmth of the knife also helps smooth out any imperfections, so it's well worth the extra few seconds. After all, you've put love and effort into making something delicious. Don't let a messy cut take away from that beautiful finish. Here at Easy Peasy Kitchen, that's exactly what we're about, helping you feel proud of what you bring to the table. On my website, I have foolproof step-by-step plating guides for more advanced cheesecake presentation ideas. If you like this video, I'm sure you would love them too. You can find them and many more at easypeasy.co. Look at that nice crisp edge. We only need half of this, so I'll put the other half in the fridge for later. The recipes for this cheesecake and these coulis are on my website, easypeasy.co. The purpose of this video isn't to show you how to make a cheesecake. We're focused on enhancing the presentation, so if you already have your own foolproof recipe, by all means use that instead. Let's take a look at the difference our deep purple blackberry and blueberry coulis makes. Suddenly, this same dessert feels bold and elegant. It's something you'd serve at a classy dinner party. Add a sprig of mint, and just like that, it looks polished and professional. Now what if we plated it on a black plate? Dark sauce on a dark plate. It gives the dessert a more dramatic, moody feel, doesn't it? This cheesecake presentation is safe and reliable. It always works, it's easy to achieve, and it's delicious. Do you think it's worth spending an extra few minutes and ingredients to have the added coulis? I love comparing the effect of different colours by plating the exact same dish on different plates. There's no right or wrong here, just two completely different vibes. So which one would you serve? And for what occasion? Let me know in the comments section. Lastly, let's have a play with the apricot coulis. The colour of your plate can make a huge difference to food presentation, and your food can either pop or disappear depending on which plate you serve it on. For this one, I've chosen a blue plate to really showcase the apricot coulis. It's bright and sunny and instantly brings a fresh summery vibe to any dessert. A simple garnish, like a piece of apricot since we're using an apricot coulis, a fresh blueberry to tie in with the plate colour, and a mint tip is all it needs to complete this dessert. Here I've got a colour wheel which comes in very handy when plating. You can see that blue and orange are complementary colours, which means they naturally draw the eye to create a pleasing contrast. That's why this works. In a future video, I'll talk more about how useful a colour wheel is for plating, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. This is a bit different, although it would still look good on a black or white plate. I can imagine enjoying this dessert sitting outside in dappled sunlight. It's fresh, fruity, and effortlessly beautiful. That's the magic of thoughtful plating. Here's another video where you can see how simple chocolate decorations can enhance your dessert presentation too. See you over there.